Hello guys, welcome back again. I hope you guys enjoying your Christmas. All right guys, I'm here to show you guys some of the missing numbers, the pending numbers, and the numbers that I think that will be showing up today. All right, so pay close attention and watch out through the video. If today is your first time coming across the page, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. All right guys, so let's get right into it. Okay, so here is the numbers that is currently pending right now. UK is failing to release. We are talking about 14, right? 14, 13, okay, 13, 24, okay, 24, 39, okay, 39, 47, okay, 47, 49. Okay, so here are pending numbers right now that UK is failing to drop, guys. So you can take advantage of it. All right, so in case if they choose to go to these areas, all right. So when it comes to the previous result and the numbers they're supposed to bring forward, let's look at some of these numbers, right? Okay, let's look at some of these numbers. Okay, so here as you guys can see, we have this 8 here, we have this 44 here, we have 8 here again. All right, so as you guys can see here, I'm just going to use the like not backdated results. I'm just going to use the previous ones to show you guys what I mean, right? So as you guys can see, the 8 and 44 is up here, and two of them has been repeating each other. So let's look at this number, which is 39 and 3. What do you guys think? 39 and 3. All right, coming from 8 and 44, right? So let's look at those two numbers and see how it goes today. So write those two numbers down, and if you check, you see that those two numbers is also among the pending numbers, right? So write those two numbers down. Okay, so the next number we should be looking at for will be this number. As you guys can see, we have this number here, we have 38 here, we have 2 here currently, right? So let's and we also have this 48 here, linking to 29. So guys, what do you think? Let's see if these numbers will show up today, right? Let's see if these numbers will show up today. Okay, so that is it there. Okay, all right, so the next one will be, as you guys can see, we'll have 44 here, 45 there, 45 destroyed almost every result here. Like every draw you will see 45 just like dropping. Even if you go back there, you can also see 45 has been dropping a whole lot. When this number get into the code ball, it's gonna take a very long time to bust out of the code ball again, because it has done a lot. All right, so here 44, you can also see 44, 45 has been trending. You can also see 9, there again. All right, so let's hope for this number, which is 1747, because 45 also link to 47, right? And when it comes to 47, you can also see that we'll have this number here, which is 11, and we'll have 26 also linked with 47, and this number is also pending on Uk49 list. Okay, so that is it, guys. All right, so write these numbers now, 17 and 47. Okay, 17 and 47, right? Write those two numbers down. Okay, 1747. All right, okay guys, so the next number we should be looking at for guys will be this number 5. All right, we should be looking at for 5. If you guys go down, you see that we'll have 19 here, right? We'll have 19 there. Going down, you also see that we'll have 41, unless they want to repeat 41 again. But let's just give it a try and see how it goes. This number is currently on the code ball. I don't know if they're going to release it or not, but this number is overdue to drop. Okay, as you guys know that the number dropped once, go back to the code ball again, they may decide to drop it again. And also this number 34 also link to this number, right? 34 also linked to that number. So what do you guys think? All right, so that is it there. So the next number we should be looking at for will be this number 28. Guys, we'll be looking at for 28, and 28 is because, as you guys can see, this number also is currently on the code ball. It dropped once, go back to the code ball, and if this number busts out again, it's going to be on every draw. I'm telling you, this is how it works, right? Okay, so when it comes to this 28 here, as you guys can see, we have this number which is 30, right? We also have this number again which is 30. Okay, we have those 30s there, right? So let's hope that this number will drop today. Okay, but if they fail to drop this 28 today, that means we should be hoping for 3. Maybe they will remove that 0 from the back of 30 and drop 3. I also mentioned about 3 from the beginning of the video, right? So that is it, guys. That is it. Okay, so take that number and write it at 28 guys. Okay, 28. All right, so the next number we should be looking out for will be this number 27, guys. 27. All right, if you look here, you see that we'll have this number which is 22. We have 22, guys. We have 22, and here if you look here, you will see that we have 11. Okay, we have 11 there. All right, we have 11 there. Okay, and 30 will also trigger that number, this 27, to bust out today. All right, so that is why I'm showing you guys this 27, guys. 27. And come to think of it, look at here, they also splitted that number there and they never joined it back. So let's hope that they will join that number back again and give us 27 front. All right, let's hope that will happen, right? So that is it. Okay, guys, so the next number that we should be looking at for will be this number 24. And why 24, guys? If you look here, you see that we have 42 there. If you go down, you will see that we have 42 up to 3 places, right? And that number never turned. Look here, we have 21 supposed to bring 24, which he never did for this long, right? Okay, so that is why. And we also have 12. I think we have 12 currently. Yes, we have 12 currently, which 12 will also push that number. Okay, look at here, you also see that we have 21 repeated, we have 12 there. So what is the reason of them not dropping 24 is something I don't understand, but let's look at for 24 today. All right, let's look at for 24 today. On the 23, you can also see 23. On the 23, which is the date, you also see that they drop on the 23, which is this thing. They didn't drop 23, but they decided to drop 23 on the 24. All right, they dropped 23 on the 24. Can they do the same thing with 24? All right, will they do the same thing on the 24? We'll jump 25 date, which Uk49 never played on 25. So let's hope maybe they will drop this 24 on the 26th, which is today. All right, which is today. Okay, so let's hope that happens. Okay, so write 24 down. Okay, so the last number on my list for today, the last number that we should be looking at for will be this number 1. And the Y1 will have 26 here. Okay, Y1 will have 26 there, right? We'll have 26, and here 26 there. We'll have 37 here. All right, 37 dropped twice, I think so. Yeah, look at it here, 37 here and 37, 36 here. Okay, so let's hope that they will drop 1. Okay, let's hope that they will drop 1, because these two numbers will equally bring this number 1 front. Okay, so that is the last number that I have to show you guys today. Let's hope and see what's gonna happen today. Okay, All right, guys, so that is exactly what I just want to show you guys today, and here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.